an FBI agent. My character goes down, it looks like a heart attack after a raid.
We took him to the hospital.
They do all the tests, they cut him open, and they find something inside.
We found a creature crawling on his chest.
What is it?
It's sort of a parasite clenching onto my heart.
And then, of course, it goes to our fringe team, our heroes. Our scientist, Walter, has decided that he can only investigate this in his own lab.
My task is to first find out what it is, and then to attempt to remove
We
it.
have to find a way to cure this poor guy by ridding him of this horrible parasite. We are adding a heart parasite creature.
The actors there had a nice green hold on the day.
They have to have a prosthetic chest that they then open up, the alien clenched onto the heart.
So we created the bug, the heart, and these lungs. It's going to look like it inside of here.
So it's a real person, the digital team. We actually have to build digitally, a 3D version, and then the virtual creature. We used a pig torso to cheat the inserts. Took the scalpel, made the incision, cut the membrane, spread open the torso.
Have all the guts and all the good stuff in there.
It's actually very revolting cutting a real pig open.
I'm better the pig than me.
The smell is still trapped in my sinuses.
Again, it's a typical fringe night.